immediate, my lord. A mandatory order was passed to take immediate steps, my lord, to provide protection to my client, my lord. My lord, it pains me a lot to see a petty officer in charge, my lord, violating a lordship's mandatory order. Today, my lord, instead of 7 days, my lord, 4 weeks have gone by, my lord. All the officers are dying, like they say in the vernacular, koi phota, my lord, and the rest are being looted, my lord. This is the difficulty. Any day next week, my lord.
Sorry, sir. File it in the department.
My lord. May I give the number, my lord?
File it in the department. The department will give the number.
They are supposed to inform your lordship that the magistrate inquiry was done on.
But post-mortem report we have obtained, my lord.
What is the remark of the doctor?
Lord, the remark of the doctor is death was due to effects of injuries which were antemortem and homicidal in nature, produced by multiple impacts with hard, blunt objects. Further opinion regarding the presence and nature of any disease or toxic substance, if any, will be given after receipt of histopathological and chemical examination report.
So the recording in the certificate of the nursing home that he had jaundice does not appear to be proper.
Lord, that is where they had admitted. So
I understand you do not have anything to do, but this is the document that you showed yesterday.
these are the exact things which has gone into the.
Yes.
Well, I have already informed that we have registered an FIR on 9th. So, my lord, we have received it yesterday evening. My lord, some time may be given to us to
Cause an inspection.
see what has happened. Because we have also obtained the CCTV of the court where he was produced. We have got the CCTV of the hospital where he was taken for examination.
Chittaranjan or what?
Kagdip. Before production in court.
All right.
because,
Yes.
my
Yes.
was not working. As I had submitted, your lordship directed the CCTV of to be preserved, not of the court, but out of our own volition, we have taken the CCTV of the court also where he was brought, and also the CCTV of the Kagdip hospital. These we have got. So he was taken there. My lord, we have seen that contrary to the allegation that he remained in the car, did not go into the hospital at all for examination. We have found that he has in the lobby, he is seen with the officer. He is seen in the corridor which leads to the doctor's chamber. Everything is there. So he was taken to the hospital for
Medical examination.
There are injuries. The PM says there the death was due to injury. It has to be gone into that who has caused those injuries. And well, the other part of jaundice, etc., because the death is homicidal in nature, it says, but it may be required, the jaundice part, but we can look into it a bit later and we'll have to wait for the other reports to come, histopathological, etc. But we'll have to investigate the FIR of 9th of July.
Yes, but the role of the Swastik Shiva Shodhan has to be gone into.
They are respondents before your lordship. The respondents before your lordship.
Did you serve Swastik?
Yes, ma'am.
Swastik has been served or not?
No, possibly Romlet.
Because the day when he was arrested, 4th of July possibly.
4th of July in the morning, yes.
The Kagdik hospital records that he is physically and mentally fit.
Yes. That is before production before the court.
Yes. And he dies on 8th.
No, before that, kindly check some page 16. Page 16. On the same day, 4th July.
Injury report, Mathurapur.
Kindly see the
He was beaten.
the statement of the patient.
Statement.
What he is saying? Incident occurred at Dhola police station. He was beaten up by Dhola police personnel, Rajdeep Sarkar.
And nature of injury is polytrauma all over the body. Scratch marks over the back. Blunt mark over the forehead. Abrasion.
Nature of injury, type of injury.
Page 16.
Yes.
Type of injury is very simple.
Marked as simple.
Ah,
Whatever.
I'll come to that.
That we,
Now, my lad,
Yes, yes.
now, my lad, kindly see 2-3 things. My lad. I have prepared an affidavit. Date and time of
investigation continue, let us come.
them by them. Then I have nothing to submit. If they will continue with these records, then I have nothing to submit before the court.
But my lord, the records.
They should be ashamed of saying that no, I will not.
Wait. Please,
Not
please don't bring politics over here. No. Tell me what.
But these documents,
Let
we
there
have
be
obtained
understanding
in
that we are
course of the
independent.
investigation. These are not documents of the police station. These are documents of the hospitals and documents of the private nursing home where the complainant of the FIR took the deceased, which is a very important part because everywhere the uncle takes the person to all these hospitals. Now we have obtained these documents from there. The FIR has been registered on 9th. We are today on 12th. Basically, we are still on 11th because 11th we have obtained the PM and we are reporting this for lordship. We have only got 48 hours to investigate into this. The person who is named here by the accused, Rajdeep Sarkar, he has already been closed as far as the PSC is concerned, and he has been shifted to completely a unrelated branch. The investigation is by a DSP, enforcement branch.
Who is investigating? Let us see.
DSP of enforcement branch.
Where is that?
Not the
Enforcement branch.
So he is not related to the Thana at all, and he is much higher in rank. Much higher in rank. So Malad kindly gives us some time to investigate. We have also obtained the CCTV footage of the court of the hospital. Kindly gives us some time to come back to your lordship.
To procure records. Page 8, page 7.
Records are already there.
Kindly see page 7. I don't show by the
Page 7 of
Page
the
7 of their
documents
bunch.
yes, memo of arrest.
Date and time of production in court.
Interpolated?
Yes.
All right.
And then in the signature.
Rajdeep.
Same.
No, he has been closed. He is out now. Not in the Thana also.
We are not about Rajdeep. Rajdeep did not do anything without instruction. OC went to the black.
Date of production, Malad, we cannot change. The date of production is recorded in the order of the bail.
Yes.
Now, let's
The submission is that
I'll come to that. I'll respond to his submission one by one.
DSP rank
So far
officer.
that postmortem is concerned.
We will see everything. DSP rank officer.
Not
You
to.
say it will not serve the
No.
purpose.
Because they have to justify. Because in other matter,
Yes.
in case of other death,
Yes.
they forms an seat.
Yes. You want a seat?
Similar.
You want a seat?
Must be by those officers who has
Experience of handling this
experience
kind.
handling this case and trustworthy, most certainly.
Trustworthy is there is no stamp on the body written that he is trustworthy.
Past conduct also shows something.
Do you have any officer of such which you feel is trustworthy? So it can be.
That I have to take instruction and
Otherwise, we have to depend upon what Mr. Bandopadhyay.
I'll certainly give. I want to give some suggestions. Kindly bear me for a moment. Before that,
For a moment.
to give that suggestion, I'll take some suggestions from others and I'll inform you, Lordship.
Then tomorrow, Monday.
Tomorrow, but for today,
Yes.
I will be praying for exhumation of the body and for second postmortem. Because it has to be done in presence of the magistrate and in some similar circumstances in our High Court. Past this order, kindly look.
Yes, body exhumed, I understand. But then you go through the postmortem report.
Let there be a second postmortem so that we can compare. This was not done in our presence. This was not done in our presence.
I have no knowledge of what is being handed over.
Even I don't have knowledge.
But Malad, then Malad, I should get an opportunity to produce those orders where second PM was not directed.
Wait.
No, you are opposing this.
Wait, please wait. There is a PM report. You go through it.
I am not the expert. not the expert.
Get it checked up by an expert, come back on
Only
Monday.
difficulty is like the body, the period.
Yes.
That's the only urgency. Otherwise, I could have not come tomorrow.
Whether there is at all a requirement of
I cannot
exhumation.
say on Monday that exhume it and conduct postmortem blood. Will not be able to. They will not be able to conduct postmortem on the basis of that body blood. That's the whole difficulty. If it
Well,
was on
there are
the
prayers made after 2 months, 3 months. Matters decided after 2-3 months with regard to the prayer of
আগে
second
বলে
court.
শেষ করো না, তারপর আমি বলি না আমি
তুমিও তো ডিস্টার্ব করো মাঝখানে, বলতে কি করবো এখন?
শেষ করো তুমি তারপরে বল।
But then I don't think I am agreeable to any exhumation at this
If
stage,
it is
especially
the mandate of the NHRC in case of custodial torture, this is the latest from 2020. That has to be
Mr.
followed.
Bandyopadhyay, the postmortem may have been video recorded, but was it done in the presence of a magistrate?
That's the whole difficulty.
No, it's recorded in the PM. It's recorded in the PM, it was not done.
That is in violation of NHRC
Then
guideline.
why was it not done? Because that is the norm. It has to be done.
They are admitting.
What was the urgency in doing it in such a
Lord, was not even
manner?
informed.
It was not there. At least the family member should have been informed. Nobody knows about it. You
All
can't
these are
do the
requirement. That
body.
is the guideline of the
This
NHRC.
part,
Yes.
I mentioned this yesterday also. My instructing officers are of a different police district. There is none from Kolkata police who is instructing me in this matter because they are not parties, obviously. My lord, this death happened in Tiljala. Everything done, my lord, under the Kolkata police. I can take that instruction. Why it was not?
But then taking instruction, if it becomes
It will not change the fact, but I can at least come back with a reason why it was not done.
reasoning is different, but fact it was not done is admitted.
It is in the PM report, my lord. It cannot be
If it is there, it is there. Two things. Family member of the deceased was not intimated. Magistrate was not there. These two things is a requirement for interfering with this PM report. Nothing else. I do not know what is there medically.
Right.
No, my lord, the
But then-
videography is there. If it was done properly, they can always go through it. They can see it.
But even after this, there is a recording over here that there were injury marks and all these
Everything is
things.
there. No one is trying to hide anything. And even my lord, it's elaborate. Everything is there.
You say it is there, but they are looking for something else. I do not know.
And not only magistrate, that last NHRC recommendation says
Let me see. Let me see.
This is the last one. So far, medical officers are concerned. Clause 1, A and B.
Give a copy to your learned friend. The one that you are relying upon.
আমি সফট কপি দিচ্ছি।
নেট নেই তো।
নেট লাগবে না। এয়ারড্রপ আছে তোমার?
করো।
But this is only a recommendation. Has this been accepted? Is this is this followed in all cases? This is only a
It
recommendation.
was communicated to all states.
All states.
It has to be followed.
It has to be done by a board of 3 doctors, preferably from 3 different.
To ensure independence.
1 minute, from 3 different institutions.
Yes.
As the doctors from the same institution are
Likely
in
some cases to be influenced by their
senior members of the board.
in the board.
Yes. And all doctors during must be holding a
Independence.
postgraduate degree in forensic science, 5 years experience, especially in postmortem examination. Here the magistrate part is not here. It is
No,
only
that's
the,
the previous orders.
it is only the doctor's part.
Yes, ma'am. That is undisputed magistrate parties. ওই হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ But there are several guidelines. There is a latest one, the addition or others. There are guidelines indicating video recording also. How it is to be video recorded and
Lord,
the quality of
regarding the
picture.
family member, if your lordship kindly takes the third column of the PM report, my lord. Third column. Mohsin Mullah Jamai Babu of deceased was present, my lord, as I find from the PM report. At the top, Top third.
Top name.
Name of constable by whom bought and name of relative accompanied. I find Mohsin Mullah, Jamai Babu of deceased Mullah was present.
আরে না না ছিলাম না, ওরা পরে করিয়েছে। আমরা জামাই ডাকলো হসপিটালে, তখন আমরা গেলাম।
I cannot get that, Mr. Bandyopadhyay.
Mullah, top third.
Top third name of the constable.
Yes.
Oh, Mohsin Mullah,
Just
Jamai Babu.
underneath that.
Yes. Mohsin Mullah, Jamai Babu of the deceased.
And body was handed over to the writ petitioner on 9/7/2024.
Writ petitioner is the mother.
Writ petitioner is Yasin Haldat, the father. Mullah, we have, while receiving the body, Mullah, he has put his signature, Mullah, that also we have. So, Mullah, that no one was there, etc. Mullah, well, some statements are coming from the side of the petitioner also, which are ultimately not corroborating with the documents and CCTV also. Well, kindly let us continue with the investigation. The investigation is in the hands of a very senior officer.
No, investigation can be continued, but then if the norms for the postmortem is not followed, then
It has to be sent to the central forensic also. They has to report NHRC also. So many things are there. I'll come one by one.
come in one go. See, each and every time if you come with different
Well, because
directions, then it will be difficult.
FIR has not been made with incorporating all sections.
Incorporation of sections can be done. It is not a thing, but then whether the body.
First, I want to ensure that all the evidence are, so that anybody can investigate. That's my point first, the priority.
Give a copy to your learned friend, the order that you are relying.
Order.
Oh, again,
Salim Khan.
yes, I'm signing that.
এই জন্য তোমার জন্য আমি কোনো কপি আনি না।
State has all machineries.
একটু বিকাশ দাকে নকল করো, ওকে কি উত্তর দেবো?
At page 3. আপনি মিটারে দাও, একটার পর একটা আসুন,
Well, the entire order is on consent, I find, Mullah, and consent none other than the Advocate General himself. Mullah, this consent cannot be, Mullah, equated, Mullah. The consent is recorded in page 2, consent
Yes,
recorded in
yes.
page 3. In fact, the state came up with the proposal of SIT.
But then,
follow guidelines.
for the purpose of a proper investigation to be done, the state cannot stand in the way of following the directions of NHRC, isn't it? If these norms were not followed, then state has to do it. The investigation has not yet
Well, that
started.
instructions today I'll have to take from the Kolkata police.
Which instruction?
PM, Mullah, how the PM was conducted, why there was lacuna as far as the PM was
Why
concerned.
is different thing?
So, Mullah, I have not been able to go into that aspect at all because Kolkata police was not a party. Obviously they had no occasion to come and assist me on this and give me appropriate instructions. Mullah, with regard to the postmortem, Mullah, if your lordship, Mullah,
Does the postmortem report say that there were the at least 3 doctors present?
But certified by one person.
Saurabh Chattopadhyay.
And it is not even in the form, but there are two different forms. In
Different?
form of postmortem report. In case of blood custodial death, the form is different. This is not the postmortem report in usual course what they follow. But so far blood custodial death is concerned, the form is absolutely different.
Well, may I say something? Well, it's not a case where the death has occurred in my custody. Kindly seize the difference here. Kindly. It is one of the allegations.
I have followed it.
But the person was in my custody for about 5 to 6 hours. Thereafter went to Kakdeep. Thereafter went to Kakdeep Subdivisional Court. And thereafter he was released on bail. He went with the uncle to Mutrapur Subdivisional Hospital. Death occurred on 8th. The death is not in the custody. But 4 to 8 he was not in my custody. Rather he was in the custody of the complainant uncle.
Then I have to submit that on 8th, on the day of death, the officer in charge of Bhola police station went to the Swastik nursing home and tried to settle the issue. I have filed a supplementary, prepared a supplementary evidence.
Which I am yet to obtain.
Tell me, exhumation can be done within how many days?
Blood 2-3 days.
Not more than that.
No.
Not more than that. Not more than that.
It will not be in a position to postmortem once again.
To exhume the body and then get it done.
But
Death occurred on the.
they are opposing this. This in itself indicates that they do not want to investigate.
No, not at all. That is not at all my intention. Well, my intention is say that the
followed the procedure.
DSP is in charge of the investigation and kindly grants us some time to come back with something. But within 48 hours, my lord will kindly not conclude that we are not in a position to conduct a free and fair investigation.
For the purpose of the investigation, you require certain evidences, materials. If the materials are not
Well,
there,
for that, the videography of the postmortem is there. If the
videography is only the it is being done. But then what about the position of the body, whether they were marked?
Videography we can show to another person, another expert also, and we can come back with a report of that expert also. And it has been done in another matter, and if required, I will get those orders also.
No, videography is just recording that the process is being conducted.
Yes, but they can see, it can be seen whether the PM was done properly or not.
No, from the videography, can the position of the body be understood? I do not know. I have not seen any such.
It can be. It can be.
Whether there are bruises,
Yes.
cuts and everything.
That is from where it is recorded. That is from where it is recorded.
From the videography, it is recorded.
But from the PM,
Yes.
from the PM it is recorded, and the postmortem interaction is recorded. So, my lord, if it can be discerned in the PM, it can be discerned, my lord, from the videography also. That is the entire purpose of the videography, so that the my lord, the medical officer is not leaving out anything. And if required, we can send it to another expert. My lord, your lordship we can bring the report before your lordship, my lord, from another expert, that if any lacuna is there in this PM or not.
Where is the videography right now?
But it's in the NRS, my lord. NRS, my lord.
Let a videograph be handed over to the petitioner so that they can also get it checked.
This will not serve my purpose.
You'll
I am not the
get it checked.
expert.
No, you will get it checked by a doctor.
They will not be in a position because it has to be done physically by the doctors. That is the recommendation of the NHRC. How the video will help me or in the investigation.
But after they can at least come back and say where we are wrong.
Since we are collecting evidence now. Now, they have gathered evidence. By way of postmortem. Now, why they are shying in doing second postmortem? Second postmortem will reveal something else.
No, whether it is at all required or not. Maybe they are not shy.
They don't want to pay expend the cost. That's the reason.
No, it cannot be a matter of course.
Or the time.
Then, like consideration, representation, every matter will be for second postmortem. It can be a matter of course.
Admittedly, they have not followed the NHRC guideline. Now, there was some reason for issuing those guidelines. That those has not been followed. Now that those has to be followed to gather information and evidences. Now they do not want to. I want to gather evidence. I do not want to destroy evidence. That's my whole purpose. That is the purpose of investigation. What more I need to submit?
NHRC guidelines are for custodial death.
They are not following guidelines and they are boldly saying that it is not required. What
It
they
is
want
not
to,
a
they want to
death in
destroy
my
evidence.
custody.
Somebody has died. He has been buried. Postmortem conducted. Again, exhumation
And this was done in earlier case that I have given.
That is by consent.
If
not consent.
And not consent by anyone, consent by the highest
state.
legal officer of the state.
Is not required.
No, whether it is required or not is different, but the order that you relied upon is on consent.
Maybe.
Hmm.
I have shown this for two reasons. That this has to be sent to the state officer to ensure independence. And it has to be done once again, since guidelines has not been followed. Simple. Otherwise, the entire purpose and object of issuing guidelines will be odious. What is the use of issuing those guidelines and spending time by the NHRC? Those are, because of DK Basu, all these things has been followed. And in 2023, Supreme Court is passing order, still this thing is continuing. You install CCTV everywhere. And they are coming and saying that it's not. But I have not made a prayer in my supplementary affidavit that I have a phone with me. My kaka had a phone with him on the third night. Since they are denying that this arrest was subsequent date.
First of all, the Kaka's role is to be gone into.
Investigate it. You'll investigate it.
So, mobile track and lat long of the that mobile location has to be investigated. Those information is required from the
Where is the mobile now?
I have
With you.
number. But this is my supplementary affidavit.
Give a copy.
সবই কি কোর্ট বললে দেবে নাকি?
Yes.
I have given the number in my affidavit. Page 4, paragraph 5. Sorry, page 3, paragraph 5. He every day comes and says that I have specifically stated that CCTV was functioning. Stated. Because I have gathered information.
But from 23rd it was not working.
This needs to be investigated by somebody else.
The mobile phone of my brother was seized by the police on the 3rd. Immediately after reaching the and returned back on.
But one mistake I have done in my first paragraph, I have said, paragraph 3, that I was taken into custody on 3rd July at about 1:30 a.m.
That my son was arrested 1:30 a.m. on 3rd of July.
So we have, instead of it is 3rd because 1:30.
It will be 4th.
No, it will be 3rd. We have last time I said 2nd July because after 2:12 at night it will be 3rd July. So it would be 3rd July.
No, you've mentioned past midnight of July 2, which means 3rd.
3rd July, right.
So it means
We have mentioned last occasion that 2nd July.
all right.
That would be corrected. This to be corrected. They are saying that we were arrested on 4th July. 1 day gap. Now, this phone locations will demonstrate that because my uncle was also taken into custody along with my son. Rather, my brother was also taken into custody along with my son.
Both were taken in custody.
Yes. And he was beaten up in front of my brother.
No, but your brother was not taken in custody.
Complainant was taken into custody. He was forced them to sign. There was no previous complaint.
The complainant goes there
Complainant.
with a complaint against your son.
No.
And
No. Both were taken together. There are so many things needs to be investigated. There was no complaint received by them as of arrest. arrest.
But yesterday it was read over that the complainant
Complaint was
was
made.
the uncle.
There was an FIR.
Yes.
That was signed by my uncle.
Huh?
Later on, rather my brother. Later on, after he was taken into custody in police station, he was there whole night. My brother, he is the only eyewitness. I'll be seeking for his protection. He has started receiving threats. 4% I need protection.
Make complaints before the police, because all these things will certainly be disputed by the state respondents. That
That their dispute will not do.
no, that
Now,
is
as of
different.
now, I am the victim. And as I am the victim at the instance of the police, no and nobody else. And this police, the officer in charge of Dhola police station, when my son was dying in Shasti nursing home on 8th, on the day he was died, he was there. He went there to settle. The officer in charge.
Settle with whom? Your uncle? These
No, with us. With the petitioner. We have video. We have recorded that video. OC know
Mr.
nothing.
Bandopadhyay, a lot of things are coming out.
But kindly do not take me amiss, Manoj. But the thing is that the difficulty is that
Let-
something is written.
Sometime I expect the advocate general position taken by the advocate general should be taken by
Something-
Bandopadhyay.
all things should
Because I am not the
comply beyond
advocate general, sir. I am not the advocate general.
Please come with further affidavits if you have.
I have-
But if these are to be submitted, he
As
can
of-
submit
as of
anything
now,
there.
today,
Now the uncle who was the complainant is now the petitioner in this.
today all that I have, I
Petition also has
want,
to
like,
be-
today all that I want, like, without any delay, there should be a second postmortem, like, so that but evidence.
Achha, the postmortem report signed by Dr.
No, no, no.
Chattopadhyay
দাঁড়াও।
ও দিক তবে না রে।
on 9th July 2024 is taken on record.
But I have filed an affidavit. I'll be demonstrating from those.
Stop. Supplementary affidavit filed by the petitioner is also taken on record. Stop. Copy of the same served upon the learned advocate representing the state in court today. Stop. The petitioner relies upon the guidelines of the National Human Rights Commission dated 24th of April 2019, 24th/26 April 2019. Regarding the recommendation in case of custodial deaths, stop, paragraph. It records that the postmortem examination must be done by a board of at least 3 doctors, preferably from 3 different institutions, as the doctors from the same institution are likely please read out are likely to be influenced. No. Likely. Mr. Ahmed, please read out. A.
By their senior members.
Likely.
Likely in some cases to be influenced.
Likely
In some
Cases to be influenced by the senior
members in the board.
Some cases to be influenced by their senior members in the board.
Comma impending independence.
of the other.
Impending
Impending will not be. Impeding independence of the other members. And all doctors doing postmortem must be holding a postgraduate degree in forensic medicine and must have at least an experience of 5 years in the specialty of postmortem examination. Stop. Though in the instant case, the death did not take place in custody, but the postmortem report that has been filed in court today suggests that there were injury marks at various places of the body. Stop. The petitioner, being the father of the deceased, has submitted that his son was beaten up brutally when he was in the custody of the police. The injury resulted to his death. Paragraph. The prayer has been made for exhuming the body for the purpose of conducting a second post-mortem because the guidelines of the National Human Rights Commission were not followed. Stop. The post-mortem was not done in the presence of a magistrate. Stop. The family members of the deceased were not present at the time of conducting the post-mortem. Stop. Paragraph. The post-mortem has, however, been video recorded. Stop. Paragraph. The petitioner is interested for a free and fair investigation and trial. Stop. Paragraph. The prayer of the petitioner for conducting a second post-mortem is opposed by the state. Stop. It has been submitted that the post-mortem that as the post-mortem has been video recorded, accordingly there is no requirement of conducting a second post-mortem. Stop. Next. Post-mortem as of now. Stop. Next. The police may be police officer against whom allegation has been made has been closed and he has been transferred to a different location. Stop. The investigation is being conducted by the DSP, who is a far senior level officer than the officer in charge of the police station. Stop. Than the officer in charge of the police station. The
Dholahut case.
since the investigation is at a very early stage, accordingly, the same ought not to be interfered with at this stage. Paragraph. I have anything more?
Presence of witness, relative I have shown, my lord, presence of, and my lord, NHRC guideline, my lord, that is for custodial death.
Yes, that I
And
have.
it is, my lord, this death is not in my custody.
The learned advocate for the state refers to the post-mortem report where it has been recorded that the relative of the deceased was present at the time of post-mortem. Stop. Paragraph. It has further been submitted that the guidelines relied upon by the petitioner ought not to be made applicable in the present case, as the death did not take place in the custody of the police. Paragraph. Upon hearing the submission made on behalf of the parties and upon perusal of the documents placed before this court, it appears that the post-mortem was conducted by only one doctor. Stop. The PM report mentions that the relative of the deceased brought the deceased. No. Accompanied the deceased. But there is nothing to suggest that the relative of the deceased was present at the time of conducting the post-mortem. Stop. The post-mortem was not conducted in the presence of a magistrate. Stop. The paragraph for the purpose of collecting evidence. না এটা কাটুন তো the state contends that as of now there is no requirement of conducting a second postmortem. Stop. Be it recorded that the deceased was buried on 9th
10th.
No, we have handed over on 9th.
10th.
on 10th of July 2024
না, আমরা hand over করেছি।
and if and there will be no further scope for conducting second postmortem if there is any further delay. Stop. For ends of justice and for conducting no, and for the purpose of collecting evidence for conducting the investigation and thereafter a fair trial, comma, the evidences are to be collected right now. Otherwise, the evidences will be lost and there may be no further scope to recover the same. Stop. A mere video recording may not be the substitute for conducting a second postmortem to unearth all the evidences that may be required for proceeding with the trial. Stop. Next. In view of the above, the court directs the body of the deceased to be exhumed and the postmortem to be conducted for the second time by tomorrow itself, that is 13th of July 2024. Stop. The postmortem shall be conducted in the presence of the father, mother. Who do you want to stay over there?
Any one of the from the relative.
The relative Jamai Babu was there, he says.
Father.
In the presence of the petitioner. A magistrate should be present at the time of the postmortem. At the time of postmortem. Dita nahi.
Exhumation must be done in presence of a judicial officer.
Magistrate has been directed. Judicial magistrate, I'll write. Judicial magistrate. The second postmortem should also be videographed. And the video footages shall be preserved.
Following guidelines of NHS.
Videography also has certain guidelines also. Following the guidelines of the National Human Rights Commission. What further?
That viscera must be sent to the
Further.
CFSL.
Is the viscera report obtained on the same day? It takes some time, isn't it?
No, I believe that it is taken on the same day and then sent to the forensic.
The viscera report of the deceased shall be forwarded to the
Not report, viscera.
Acha, the viscera. The viscera, not the report. Shall be forwarded to CFSL by tomorrow.
Yes.
But perhaps it has already been
Already
sent
been
because
sent.
no
If
point
not-
keeping it.
If not sent
If you have
earlier.
to direct CFSL, then we'll have to send it to CFSL, otherwise
Yes.
go to state FSL.
No, CFSL Hyderabad.
Very well. CFSL. আচ্ছা CFSL তা হয়নি তাহলে পরেরটা কাটুন CFSL ফুল স্টপ দিয়ে দিন
CFSL Hyderabad.
হায়দ্রাবাদ কমা দিয়ে let the PM report be placed before this court on the next date 22nd of July.
Lord, this
Anything more?
post-mortem your lordship is directed by
Protection is
tomorrow.
required. Ma'am.
If I may pray it by Monday, that is 15th of July.
I think the body
Lord,
this is the
Lord, I can only from
Yes,
my
sir. Urgency will
I
keep it
cannot-
on
not
today.
medical expertise, my lord, but from the matters, my lord. Second postmortem has been directed, my lord, in 2 months, 3 months.
No.
course.
Let it not.
serve the purpose. The very purpose for which
My lord,
it is being done.
I'm only
will be
saying this, my
lost.
lord, kindly do not take me amiss, my lord. My clients may want to test the order also, my lord. If it is directed by tomorrow, then, my lord, we won't get that opportunity. Only that part may be, my lord.
But the very purpose why I am giving the direction, I was not interested.
Then again,
I was
my lord,
not
there's a writing at
inclined.
3:30 today. We'll have no scope today also.
I'm sorry. After this, you take so that the whatever the report of the second postmortem is not taken into consideration in the investigation, that can be done. But let the exhumation be done and the postmortem be conducted. 22nd, it is
So, my
written.
lord, that gives us with no
Achha.
scope of testing the order, my lord,
Second,
either on facts or on law, my lord.
আর একটা লিখুন যে
Then there is Supreme Court also.
the petitioner seeks protection as it has been submitted that the witnesses of the instant case are being threatened. Stop paragraph. The superintendent of police, which place?
Sundarban Police District.
Sundarban Police District is directed to ensure that the witnesses of the instant case are protected and not threatened.
Lives are protected. That's all.
Well, they have this. I recall the 4 names they want to suggest, my lord. Otherwise, it becomes very omnibus and broad, my lord. We face, my lord,
Do
complaints
you
that
have any particular person?
3 names, that
Give
apart
the
from my
names.
family, Nasirul Ghazi.
Please put it down in a piece of paper.
And
And their addresses.
and who they are, how they are related, my lord, how they are related to the incident.
Addresses and everything.
But they must be related to the incident. Either they were there or not there.
The witnesses or something, otherwise you give names of persons.
these 3 are
ওনাদেরকে
They were all in the custody on that day. They were all in custody on that day.
ওনাকে দিন
So please do
ডিটেলস
what
গুলো লিখে দেবে আচ্ছা কি বললাম
এটা হয়ে যাক তারপর।
লাস্ট হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ
But I believe the OC has also been closed.
IC has not been closed. Because there is only a single line in the end.
the witnesses of the instant case, including the petitioner, comma, his family members, and the following persons. Names and details will be given. ঠিক আছে? Be protected. 22nd. Call the next.
Like the second complaint that I made, the father was made.
Where is that?
This part of
Supplementary. Supplementary.
বলা যাবে না। But there was second complaint, my lord, which was made in written,
Will
my
be
lord.
open.
That should be part of the
Part
Yes,
of the.
obviously, that will be
original FIR.
that will be
FIR is that
investigation
there.
also, but two FIRs cannot, we cannot.
No, in connection with the same FIR.
It will be part of the same CD.
But then have you complained?
Yes, yes.
Receipts and everything you hand over to Mr. Bandyopadhyay
If he
so
has
that he
complained, I
can.
already have it. If he has complained, I already have it.
You have the seal and everything? আচ্ছা একটা জিনিস একটু লিখে দিন তো। It has been submitted that alleging threat to the witnesses. A complaint has already been lodged.
No, not alleging threat.
But for
For that same incident of
The
death.
same incident, father has made a complaint. First email, and thereafter father has made a complaint in which my lord that they have already given the extortion. Yes.
আচ্ছা তাহলে একটা জিনিস কি বললাম, it has been submitted by the learned advocate for the petitioner. It has been submitted by the learned advocate for the petitioner that the father of the deceased, that is the petitioner herein, has submitted a detailed complaint before the police in connection with the incident which took place in the police station with his son. Stop. The police shall treat the said complaint as complaint further to the complaint which was lodged by the mother of the deceased, and the same shall be investigated accordingly. Yes.
My lord, OC is one of the my lord, accused person named my lord, in the FIR. My lord, he is still my lord, in that police station. My lord, consideration.
See, OC may be accused in so many number of cases. Now, in each and if the SP
May I
there,
point out something, my lord?
Role of AC.
My lord, why he was not closed, my lord? There should not be any shadow of doubt, my lord, with regard to the, my lord, fairness, my lord. In the complaint, my lord, the entire allegation against Mr. Sarkar, who has been closed. Only last line where we conclude, my lord, she says that এবং ওই থানার ওসি আইসি মানস চ্যাটার্জি আইনগত সাজা পায় সে ব্যবস্থা আজ্ঞা হোক, but in the body there is no allegation against the IC.
I'll place letter.
The last line where they are concluded, that is why we have not closed it.
My lord, battery is returnable on.
22nd একটা লাইন আর একটু লিখে নিন তো। The
এই নাম
the
বাবার
deputy
নামটা দিয়েছো?
superintendent of police who is currently investigating the matter is directed to ensure that the IC of the police station Manosh
Chatterjee, my lord.
Chatterjee is kept out of the process of investigation of the instant case.
And my lord, the phone numbers I have
My lord,
given.
we won't, my lord, we won't be able to, except for taking his statement, witness, as a witness.
My lord, kindly grants me leave blood to blood
Lord,
party those telephone operators because whose my lord, phone numbers I have given. So that I will pray
They require to
because
paid parties.
because my lord, I'll be praying for
GPS
track location. Yes, ma'am. Kindly grants me that leave so that I can pray for that. My lord. Let them come and join this petition.
The police can do it suo moto.
Let the police do.
না করলে বলুন না তুমি
Give the numbers and everything. you have
Numbers I've
given.
given.
My lord, that is what I'm saying. Kindly gives us
Numbers I've given.
two. My lord, they are apprehending that.
I have given my lord, in my
Next day,
Ma'am.
Mr. Bandyopadhyay will bring instruction with regard to the
they will not.
numbers.
Most certainly they will not.
If I am there, if the court says, I remember, I bring.
You will do it.
But kindly not as that.
Let me have a copy of the postmortem
Except
report.
for recording his statement. But your lordship has said not to take part in the investigation, then we will not be able to take his statement also.
Except for recording his statement. Last line, যেখানে বললাম না? No, but then investigation does not mean that.
But investigation is yet to be started.
Investigation is different thing.
Yet to be started, blood.
Except last line, except for taking his
We are not in a hurry.
ঠিক আছে।
Grateful, my lord.
Well, let me have a copy of the postmortem report, blood.
Yes, yes.
Unless court directs, blood, they will not give.
No, they will give. Please do not make all these allegations.
And he says so.
No.
He says so.
That is out of court and the court is not hearing. Yes, call the next matter, please.
In that matter, I am for the petition.
Yes.